हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल अनफोल्ड लर्निंग। और आज मैं आपके साथ एक और सोल्यूशन वीडियो शेयर करने जा रही हूं जो है एसेंशियल आईसीएसई मैथमेटिक्स फॉर क्लास 7 बाय ए दास गुप्ता एंड ए कुमार। आज हम इसका टॉपिक नंबर्स जिसकी 4th यूनिट रैशनल नंबर की एक्सरसाइज 4C सॉल्व करने वाले हैं। और एक्सरसाइज स्टार्ट करने के पहले अगर आपने इसके प्रीवियस एक्सरसाइजेस के वीडियोस अभी तक नहीं देखे हैं तो आप मेरे चैनल पर जाकर देख सकते हैं। और अगर अभी तक आपने मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड डू प्रेस द बेल आइकन फॉर द फ्यूचर नोटिफिकेशन। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन के साथ। फाइंड द एडिटिव इनवर्स ऑफ ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग। तो यहाँ पर आपको एडिटिव इनवर्स निकालना है। एडिटिव इनवर्स एक नंबर का अपोजिट होता है, मतलब अगर कोई नंबर पॉजिटिव दिया है तो वो एडिटिव इनवर्स नेगेटिव हो जाएगा। अगर नेगेटिव नंबर है सो वी हैव इट एज अ एडिटिव इनवर्स पॉजिटिव। सो लेट अस सी 3। फर्स्ट पार्ट इज 3, सो इसका एडिटिव इनवर्स हो जाएगा -3। सिमिलरली फॉर -7 इट विल बी +7। जैसे कि 1/2 है सो इट बिकम्स -1/2। इट इज -5/6 सो इट्स एडिटिव इनवर्स विल बी 5/6। नेक्स्ट इज 7/-8। सो यहाँ पर भी हम यही चीज़ फॉलो करेंगे। इट विल बिकम -7/-8। और अब हम इसके साथ -1 हम मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, सो इट बिकम्स 7/8। जब भी आपके पास न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर दोनों ही नेगेटिव नंबर्स होते हैं, वी जस्ट नीड टू मल्टीप्लाई दिस बाय -1। नाउ द नेक्स्ट नंबर इज -12/-13। तो जब भी आपको दो नेगेटिव्स होते हैं न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में, वी नीड टू फर्स्ट मल्टीप्लाई दिस बाय -1 इन न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर, सो इट बिकम्स -12/-13 to be multiplied by -1 in numerator and denominator, so it becomes 12/13. Now we'll find the additive inverse. It will be -12/13. Next is 0. 0 ना ही पॉजिटिव होता है ना ही नेगेटिव होता है, तो इसका एडिटिव इनवर्स विल अगेन बी 0। नेक्स्ट इज 1, सो सिंगल नंबर 1 के लिए हम -1 कर देंगे। सेकेंड पार्ट इज सब्ट्रैक्ट 1/2 फ्रॉम 1/4। सिंपल सब्ट्रैक्शन हम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में देखेंगे। इसको हमें एडिटिव इनवर्स के साथ सॉल्व करना सिखाया है बुक के एग्जाम्पल्स में, तो आई विल बी सॉल्विंग विद दैट फॉर्मूला। सो वी कैन राइट दिस एज 1/4 plus the additive inverse of 1/2. So question becomes 1/4 plus additive inverse of 1/2 will be -1/2. Now taking the denominators as common, so 2 में हमको multiply करना होगा 2 के साथ, so it changes to 1/4 plus -2/4. Now we just need to take the LCM as 4. 1 plus of -2, it changes to 1 -2/4. So your answer is -1/4. Next question is -2/3 from 1/5. Here we are going to write this as 1/5 plus the additive inverse of -2/3. So your question becomes 1/5 plus -2/3. So here we'll take LCM of 5 and 3, it becomes 15. So taking the common denominator, question changes to 1/5 to be multiplied by 3 in numerator and denominator plus -2/3 to be multiplied by 5 in numerator and denominator. So it becomes 3/15 plus -10/15. Taking the LCM as 15, it changes to 3 plus -10. So it is 3 -10/15. Additive inverse is +2/3. So it is 13/15. Next is -1/3 from -7/6. So we'll write -7/6 plus additive inverse of minus 1 by 3. So we'll write minus 7 by 6 plus additive inverse of 1 by minus 1 by 3 will be 1 by 3. So taking the LCM for it will be 6. So minus 7 by 6 plus 1 by 3 to be multiplied by 2 in numerator and denominator. It changes to 7 by 6 plus 2 by 6. So LCM is 6. So it becomes minus 7 plus 2 as minus 5 by 6. Next is minus 3 by 13 from 2 by 26. So we'll write this as 2 by 26 plus the additive inverse of minus 3 by 13. So we are going to write this as 2 by 26 plus additive inverse of minus 3 by 13 will be 3 by 13 positive. Now we'll take 2 by 26 as it is and we'll multiply 3 by 13 by 2 in numerator and denominator. So it changes to 2 by 26 plus 6 by 26. So taking the LCM as 26, it changes to 2 plus 6 as 8 by 26. So this can be cancelled by 2 4s are and 2 13s are. Hence your answer is 4 by 13. Next is minus 7 by 10 from minus 3 by 15. So we can write this as minus 3 by 15 plus the additive inverse of minus 7 by 10. So we can write this as minus 3 by 15 plus minus 7 by 10 ka additive inverse will be plus 7 by 10 and 15 and 10 will have the LCM as 30. So minus 3 by 15 to be multiplied by 2 in numerator and denominator and 7 by 10 to be multiplied by 3 in numerator and denominator. Hence it changes to minus 6 by 30 plus 21 by 30. So hence taking the LCM as 30, it changes to minus 6 by 21. Hence it becomes 15 by 30. So 15 ones are, 15 twos are. Hence your answer is 1 by 2. Next is minus 2 from minus 5 by 8. So we can write this as minus 5 by 8 plus the additive inverse of minus 2. So it is minus 5 by 8 plus additive inverse of minus 2 will be plus 2 and we'll take denominator as 1. Now minus 5 by 8 we'll keep it as it is, 2 by 1 to be multiplied by 8 in numerator and denominator. It changes to 5 by 8 plus 16 by 8. Taking the LCM as 8, so minus 5 plus 16 by 8 will give 11 by 8 as the answer. Next is 3 by 4 from minus 5. So we can write this as minus 5 plus the additive inverse of 3 by 4. So we can write this as minus 5 plus minus 3 by 4. So taking the 1 in denominator, we will be multiplying minus 5 by 1 by 4 in numerator and denominator and plus minus 3 by 4. So it becomes minus 20 by 4 minus 3 by 4. Plus minus will give minus. So taking the LCM as 4, it is minus 20 minus 3, same sign we'll add, so it changes to minus 23 by 4. Next is minus 5 by 7 from 2 1 by 4. तो सबसे पहले हम इस मिक्स फ्रैक्शन को सिंपल फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. इट बिकम्स 9 by 4 प्लस द एडिटिव inverse of minus 5 by 7. So we can write 9 by 4 plus additive inverse of this will become 5 by 7. LCM will be 28. So 9 by 4 to be multiplied by 7 and 5 by 7 to be multiplied by 4. So 9 4s is 63 by 28 plus 20 by 28. Taking the LCM as 28, so 63 plus 20 will give 83 by 28 as the answer. Next, question number 3, find 2 by 3 minus 7 by 8. So LCM will be 24. We need to multiply 2 by 3 by 8 in numerator and denominator, and 7 by 8 by 3 in numerator and denominator. So it becomes 16 by 24 minus 21 by 24. Hence, taking the LCM as 24, 16 minus 21 will give 5 by 24 as the answer. Next is 5 by 6 minus 3 by 10. So hence we can take the LCM as 30. So 5 by 6 to be multiplied by 5 in numerator and denominator, and 3 by 10 multiplied by 3 in numerator and denominator. Hence it will give 25 by 30 minus 9 by 30. Taking the LCM as 30, 25 minus 9 will give 16 by 30. Now we can cancel this by 2. So 2 8s are and 2 15s are. So it is 8 by 15. Next is 7 by 12 minus 3 by minus 8. So first of all we will convert this 3 by minus 8 as the positive denominator. So we need to multiply this by minus 1. So it becomes minus 3 by 8. So hence your question changes to 7 by 12 minus of minus 3 by 8. Hence your LCM here is 24. So we need to multiply 7 by 12 by 2 and minus 3 by 8 by 3. So it becomes 14 by 24 minus 9 by 24. Taking the LCM as 24, it is 14 plus minus, minus will be plus by 9. Hence your answer is 23 by 24. Next is minus 1 by 12 प्लस -7 बाय -6। ये मैंने अभी प्रीवियसली भी बताया था, जब भी आपके न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर दोनों ही नेगेटिव होते हैं, वी नीड टू मल्टीप्लाई दिस बाय -1 इन न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर, सो इट बिकम्स 7 by 6. Hence your question changes to -1 by 12 minus 7 by 6. So LCM will be 12, so we'll keep this 12 as it is, and 7 by 6 to be multiplied by 2 in numerator and denominator. So minus 1 by 2 minus of 14 by 12, sorry, this is 12. Taking the LCM as 12, so it is minus 1 by minus 14, so it is minus 15 by 12. We cancel this by 3, 3 5s are and 3 4s are. Hence your answer is minus 5 by 4. Next part is minus 2 by minus 5 minus 7 by 10. So here जब भी आपके पास न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों ही नेगेटिव नंबर होते हैं, वी नीड टू मल्टीप्लाई दिस बाय -1. सो मैं इसको डायरेक्टली लिख दूंगी 2 by 5 minus 7 by 10. So here LCM is 10, so we need to multiply 2 by 5 by 2 minus 7 by 10. We'll keep it as it is, so it becomes 4 by 10 minus 7 by 10. Taking the LCM as 10, so it becomes 4 minus 7 in numerator, so it is minus 3 by 10 is the answer. Next is minus 8 by minus 13 minus of 5 by minus 26. So first of all we need to make this positive. It will become 8 by 13 minus of, similarly, minus 5 by 26. So 8 by 13 to be multiplied by 2 in numerator and denominator, minus of minus 5 by 26. So it becomes 16 by 26 minus of minus 5 by 26. So taking the LCM as 26, so it becomes 16 minus of minus 5. So 16 plus 5 by 26 will be 21 by 26. Hence this is the solution. Next, question number 4, first part. The sum of two rational numbers is 13 by 18. If one of them is 5 by 6, find the other. So let us consider, let the rational number be x. तो इसका और इसका सम मतलब x plus 5 by 6 will be 13 by 18. So your equation changes for x as 13 by 18 minus 5 by 6. So x will be equal to 13 by 18 minus 5 by 6. So LCM is 18. For this we need to multiply this by 3. So it changes to 13 by 18 minus 15 by 18. Taking LCM as 18, so 13 minus 15 will be minus 2 by 18. So cancelling this by 2, 2 ones are and 2 nines are, it becomes minus 1 by 9. Hence the other number is minus 1 by 9. Next, the sum of two rational numbers is 3 by 16. If one of them is minus 7 by 8, find the other. So as the previous one, let the rational number be x. I won't be repeating the step. So we can write minus 7 by 8 plus x will be 3 by 16. So for x it becomes 3 by 16. ये negative है, इधर जाएगा तो 7 by 8 हो जाएगा. Finally 3 by 16 plus 7 by 8, this to be multiplied by 2 because LCM is 16, so it becomes 3 by 16 plus 14 by 16. Taking the LCM as 16, so it is 3 plus 14, which is 17 by 16. Hence the other number is 17 by 16. Next, the sum of two rational numbers is minus 5 by 12. If one of them is 2 by 3, find the other. So as usual, let the rational number be x. So we can write 2 by 3 plus x will be equal to minus 5 by 12. So for x we can write minus 5 by 12 minus 2 by 3. So now minus 5 by 12 minus 2 by 3 to be multiplied by 4. So it changes to minus 5 by 12 minus 8 by 12. Hence taking the LCM as 12 minus 5 minus 8. So the sum is minus 13 by 12. Hence the other number is minus 13 by 12. Next, the sum of the two rational numbers is minus 7 by 15. If one of the number is minus 3 by 10, find the other. So let the other number be x as usual. So minus 3 by 10 plus x is equal to minus 7 by 15. So equation for x will become minus 7 by 15 plus 3 by 10. So LCM will be 30 minus 7 by 15 to be multiplied by 2 plus 3 by 10 to be multiplied by 3. Hence it will become minus 14 by 30 plus 9 by 30. Taking the LCM as 30, so it becomes minus 14 plus 9. So on subtraction it will become minus 5 by 30. Cancelling this by 5 ones are and 5 six are. So your other number is 1 by 6. Next part, the sum of the rational number is minus 5. If one of them is 1 by 3, find the other. As the previous one, let the number be x. So x plus 1 by 3 is equal to minus 5. So equation for x will become minus 5 minus 1 by 3. So minus 5 by 1 to be multiplied by 3, and this will remain as it is. So it becomes minus 15 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Taking the LCM as 3, so it becomes minus 15 minus 1. Hence your answer is minus 16 by 3. So the number is minus 16 by 3. Next is the sum of two rational numbers is minus 2 by 3. If one of them is minus 4, find the other. As the previous one, let the other number be x. So minus 4 plus x will give minus 2 by 3. So equation for x will become minus 2 by 3 minus का हो जाएगा plus 4. So hence 1 by minus 2 by 3 plus 4 by 1 to be multiplied by 3. so it becomes minus 2 by 3 plus 12 by 3. So 3 मैंने LCM में ले लिया, minus 2 plus 12 will become 10 by 3. Hence the other number is 10 by 3. Next, question number 5. What should be subtracted from minus 1 by 3 to get minus 1 by 2? So, similarly, let the number be x. So, हमको subtract करना है minus 1 by 3 में से x को to get minus 1 by 2. So, equation for x will become minus 1 by 3 प्लस 1 बाई 2. इसको हम इस साइड लेके आए तो ये पॉजिटिव हो गया और इसको हम इधर लेके आए तो ये पॉजिटिव हो गया. सो फाइनली सॉल्विंग फॉर x, so minus 1 by 3 to be multiplied by 2 and 1 by 2 to be multiplied by 3. So it changes to minus 2 by 6 plus 3 by 6. So LCM is 6, so it will be minus 2 plus 3, so we have 1 by 6 as the answer. Next, what should be subtracted from minus 3 by 5 to get 2 by 3? So similarly, let the number be x. ये statement आपको repeat करना है. So minus 3 by 5 में से हम subtract करेंगे x को to get 2 by 3. So equation for x will become minus 3 by 5 minus 2 by 3. Hence, we will be multiplying this by minus 3 by 5 by 3 and minus 2 by 3 by 5. So minus 9 by 15 minus 10 by 15. So LCM is 15. So minus 9 minus 10 will be minus 19 by 15 is the answer. Next part is what should be subtracted from 1 by 2 to get 7 by 8. Similarly, let the number be x. It is 1 by 12. So 1 by 12 minus x is going to give 7 by 8. So for x we can write 1 by 12 minus 7 by 8. LCM will be 24. So 1 by 12 to be multiplied by 2 minus 7 by 8 to be multiplied by 3. So it changes to 2 by 24 minus 21 by 24, taking LCM as 24, so it is 2 minus 21, that is minus 19 by 24 is the answer. Next question is what should be subtracted from 8 by 13 to get minus 31 by 13. So here let the number be x, similar as before. So 8 by 13 minus x will give minus 31 by 13. So we can write this as x is equal to 8 by 13 plus 31 by 13, taking the LCM as 13. So 8 plus 31 will become 39 by 13. We can cancel this by 13 threes, hence your number is 3. Next, what should be subtracted from 1 by 10 to get minus 5? So let the number be x again as before. So we can write this as 1 by 10 minus x will give minus 5. So x will become 1 by 10 plus 5. Now again 1 by 10 plus 5 by 1 to be multiplied by 10. So it becomes 1 by 10 plus 50 by 10. Hence the LCM is 10. So 1 plus 50 is 51 by 10 is the number. Next, question number 6. What should be added to minus 3 by 4 to get 7 by 6? So similarly यहाँ पर भी हम let the number added be x. So हमको minus 3 by 4 में add करना है x to get 7 by 6. So for x it will become 7 by 6 plus 3 by 4. So LCM will be 12. So 7 by 6 to be multiplied by 2 and 3 by 4 to be multiplied by 3. So it becomes 14 by 12 plus 9 by 12. Taking LCM as 12, so it will be 14 plus 9 as 23 by 12 as the answer. Next is what should be added to minus 2 by 5 to get 4 by 15. So let the number again be x. So minus 2 by 5 plus x will give minus 4 by 15. So keeping the x on one side, minus 4 by 15 plus 2 by 5. So minus 4 by 15 we'll keep it as it is. 2 by 5 में हम multiply कर देंगे 3 के साथ. So minus 4 by 15 plus 6 by 15. 15 we'll take the LCM. So minus 4 plus 6 will be 2 by 15 as the answer. Last is what should be added to 7 by 8 to get 1 by 12. Again let the number added be x. So 7 by 8 plus x will give 1 by 12. Similarly, x will be 1 by 12 minus 7 by 8. We need to multiply 1 by 12 by 2 and 7 by 8 by 3 as the LCM is 24. So it becomes 2 by 24 minus 21 by 24. Taking 24 as the LCM, 2 minus 21 will be minus 19 by 24 is the answer. Hence, this is the solution. Next part is what should be added to 13 by 14 to get minus 5 by 21. Similarly as before, let the number be x. So 13 by 14 plus x will give minus 5 by 21. So x is equal to minus 5 by 21 minus 13 by 14. So here LCM will be 42. So we need to multiply minus 5 by 21 by 2 minus 13 by 14 by 3. So it becomes minus 10 by 42 minus 39 by 42. Taking the LCM as 42, so minus 10 minus 39, it becomes minus 49 by 42. Dividing this by 7, 7s are 49 and 7 6s is 42. Hence your answer is minus 7 by 6. Next is what should be added to 7 by 8 to get minus 2. So let the number be x be added. So 7 by 8 plus x will give minus 2. So x is equal to minus 2 minus 7 by 8. So minus 2 by 1 to be multiplied by 8 minus 7 by 8. So it becomes minus 16 by 8 minus 7 by 8. Taking the LCM as 8. So it becomes minus 16 minus 7 which is equal to minus 23 by 8. Hence these are the solution. I hope आपको मेरे solution videos ज़रूर पसंद आ रहे होंगे. अगर कोई भी डाउट है, क्वेरी है तो आप मेरे चैनल के कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. At last, don't forget to like and share my video with your family and friends, and do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the future notification. Thank you for watching.